अभी आप सभी ने मुन्ना भाई एमबीबीएस का वो वाला सीन तो देखा ही होगा, जब संजय दत्त जो एक कॉरिडोर से, हॉस्पिटल की कॉरिडोर से जा रहे होते हैं और वो देखते हैं कि मकसूद भाई जो कि प्यून होते हैं वो स्वीप कर रहे होते हैं, लेकिन उसी के साथ साथ वो और लोगों को बहुत चिल्ला भी रहे होते हैं। तो संजय दत्त क्या करते हैं, वहाँ पे वो प्यून वाले अंकल के पास जाते हैं और उनको हक करते हैं और उनको उनके काम के लिए बहुत अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, और जिसी कारण से वो जो प्यून होते हैं वो उनकी आंखों में आंसू आ जाते हैं। नाउ ये ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप्स को मैनेज करने का एक बहुत ही बड़ा टूल था, जो कि था डिज़ायर टू बी इम्पोर्टेंट एंड गिविंग ऑनेस्ट अप्रिसिएशन. So hello everyone, this is Meng, and today in this video I am going to talk about desire to be important and giving honest appreciation. You have often heard from people that humans are social beings and that the social separated us from other animals. Now, just like us, animals also breathe, sleep, eat, and mate. But they do not form families and society, they live separately. Now, desire to be important was that particular thing which made our ancestors to live together and live in families and society. Because of desire to be important, you wear stylish clothes and you also make new friends. It is that particular thing which also ruins most of our relationship. For example, we oftenly take other person or the efforts of other person most of the time granted, and with this results in ruining of our relationship. Now, the example that I quote initially of Munna Bhai MBBS, in that example we have there was a pune whose name was Maqsood Bhai, and he was sweeping the floor, and he was very frustrated from inside, thinking that his efforts are no one understands his efforts, and everybody thinks that this work is most easy work, and everyone takes him for granted. He shouts that इधर से क्यों निकल रहे हो, इतनी मेहनत लगती है, तुम समझते नहीं हो. और एंड मतलब तभी फिर मुन्ना संजय दत्त जो कि उस मूवी के प्रोटोगनिस्ट होते हैं, वो उधर पे जाते हैं और ही हग्स द मकसूद भाई, एंड he asks his name and he appreciates him that the work you are doing is very good. मतलब तुम जो काम कर रहे हो बहुत अच्छा है. एंड नो वन अप्रिशिएट्स यू, द पेशेंट और द फैमिली ऑफ पेशेंट ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट्स or give credit to the doctor, but you clean all of their spoils, and you also make hospital a hygienic place. So that particular thing made this the peon burst into tears. Now that the when Munna appreciated the peon realizes that there is someone whom I am important to and who understand my efforts also. And because of that particular instance, the peon supports Munna till last of the movie, even if Munna was wrong in his some doings. Now, if you have now understand the desire to be importance of honest appreciation and want to practice it in your daily life, then you can just simply appreciate the other person on a honest note and give sincere thanks to everyone. You can practice gratitude, and you do not have to take everyone for granted. Like you can appreciate your mom for making such delicious food, and other examples also. I think I don't have to mention it right here. So if you find this video helpful and valuable, then you can also appreciate us by liking this video, sharing this video, and commenting on this video, and you can also make us feel important by just subscribing it. Thank you.